Since there are so many appliances like OTG, air fryer, solo microwaves and convection microwave performing almost similar functions, let's first understand what type of appliance is right for you. First, identify what your typical cooking pattern and frequency is. The table you see describes what is good for you in great detail. But in short, if you're into baking sweet or savory in medium to large quantities more frequently, go for an OTG or an air fryer oven. If you want quick crispy snacks and for small quantity baking, go for an air fryer. If you predominantly use only for reheating with some cooking and microwave baking, then a solo microwave is ideal. If you want a multifunctional appliance for reheating, occasional baking and cooking, then a convection microwave oven is the best choice for you. For example, I have used a convection microwave for the longest time and have even baked cakes and baked savory dishes in the convection microwave oven. But that cooking or baking is, say, once a month at best, so this suits me right. This video will focus on the all-in-one appliance of a convection microwave oven and a solo microwave oven. I went over 100 solo and convection microwave ovens to narrow down the best options for you. Now you need to know there has not been much innovation in this space over years, and the products in the market have also been around for a while. Some notable innovation has only been around interesting colors by Haier, inclusion of air fry functions to compete with air fryers, and some productivity with Wi-Fi connectivity by LG. Now let's start with convection microwave ovens. First thing to decide is the right size for your needs. Generally, up to 25 liters is ideal for up to 2 people, 25 to 30 liters, which is the most common size, is ideal for up to 4 people, and 30 plus liters is ideal for large quantity cooking. The 25 to 30 liter segment is the most popular and gives the best value for money in convection microwave ovens. Next, let's discuss the performance. When comparing, higher wattage means faster cooking, better defrosting, and more stable baking, but also higher electricity consumption. But since cooking time is lower, the impact on electricity bill is usually small. Generally, microwave and grill functions take the least amount of power, between 800 to 900 watt. Convection functions take the most amount of power, between 1200 to 2000 watts. Maximum temperature supported is about 200 degrees Celsius in most convection microwave ovens, which is generally good enough for most dishes. But if you need a higher temperature for baking, let's say for a full chicken, you may want to go with an OTG or an air fryer oven instead. Next, let's discuss the material of the inner cavity. Most convection microwave ovens have stainless steel cavities. These are more durable, conduct heat faster, and look more modern. But they are prone to rusting after long-term use, are harder to clean, and may maintain some odors from the cooked food. Only Samsung convection microwave ovens have a ceramic cavity, which are naturally resistant to odors, are easier to clean, and not prone to rusting. But they do conduct heat slower, so slightly longer cooking times. So choose based on your preference, as both of them have their own pros and cons. Next, let's discuss the one-touch functions. All convection microwave ovens these days have basic functions of heating, baking, roasting, grilling, toasting, defrosting, low oil and no oil cooking. There are some key differences that you should factor when you're shortlisting. If you like to cook chicken, vegetables, paneer, soya, and so on a rotating rod to get even cooking, having a convection microwave oven with a rotisserie is key. Only the convection microwave ovens you see on the screen include a rotisserie. Almost all convection microwave ovens these days have air frying functionality, although they call it different things: healthy fry, slim fry, diet fry, and so on. Many convection microwave ovens have curd or fermentation function. Even if this is not there, you can always achieve the same by heating the microwave for some time and then placing the curd or your batter for fermenting. While there is little difference between different convection microwave ovens other than the ones that we've discussed, LG has models of convection microwave ovens which have a special charcoal feature, which typically costs 5,000 rupees more than the normal ones of the same size. While it is expected to give a natural smoky flavor while retaining the crunch of the dishes, most users are not able to make out a significant difference in taste or texture. There are also marketing presets like 100 plus Indian recipes. Most users don't use this, and it should be ignored altogether. Next, safety features like child lock, auto shut off, and overheat protection are available in all convection microwave ovens. For child lock, sometimes it is a special button. At other times, you can use a combination of two buttons like the start and stop to enable child lock. Next, let's discuss some usability and aesthetics aspects. Most convection microwave ovens use a digital touch interface, while only the ones that you see on the screen use knobs and buttons. Most convection microwave ovens hinge sideways except for the larger sizes of LG, Samsung and Godrej, which hinge downwards to give you an oven-type experience. Lastly, smart home connectivity is only there in the LG microwave and convection oven. You can set time, temperature, see remaining cooking times, send the settings to the microwave oven directly from the phone. Nice to have, but not a must-have. Warranty in general is 1 year, with most brands offering additional warranty on the magnetron. Samsung additionally offers 10 years warranty on the ceramic cavity as well. LG, Samsung and Panasonic have the best product and service satisfaction amongst convection microwave ovens. Quick note about Panasonic, as they have been in the news recently. While they have plans of exiting their refrigerator and washing machine segments in India, they continue to operate all other product segments, including small home appliances. Now that we understand how to narrow down the convection microwave ovens based on our needs, here are my top recommendations. You can get good convection microwaves for around 11 to 12,000 and 14 to 18,000 in the 30 plus liter segment. The 25 to 30 liter size gives the best value for money, and I have 3 main brand recommendations for you here. My first recommendation is the Panasonic Magic Grill Convection Microwave Oven. This is an essential convection microwave oven with no add-ons like rotisserie or Wi-Fi or presets for air frying and fermenting and so on. It comes with 61 auto-cook menus, essential value on a budget. Next are the LG convection microwave ovens. LG has 3 variants I recommend with increasing pricing. First is the essential variant with no add-ons like rotisserie or air fry preset. Next is the variant that you see on the screen. It includes rotisserie and air fry presets. LG calls it diet fry or low calorie. And lastly, the charcoal variant that adds charcoal heating for the supposed smoky flavor. LG uses a stainless steel cavity and gives a 1-year warranty on the product with 10 years on the charcoal heater. Next are the Samsung convection microwave ovens. Now Samsung also has 2 variants. One is the essential variant, which does not include rotisserie and an air fry preset, and the next variant includes rotisserie and an air fry preset, which Samsung calls slim fry. Samsung uses a ceramic cavity which is easier to clean but slower to heat. Now in the above 30 liter size, I have 3 recommendations for you. On a budget, I recommend the Godrej Convection Microwave Oven. This has all the essentials of a convection microwave oven, including heating, grilling, rotisserie and fermenting. It uses a stainless steel cavity and has a 1-year warranty on the product with 3 years on the magnetron. Next is the IFB Convection Microwave Oven. In addition to the warranty on the product and the magnetron, IFB offers additional 6 years on spare parts support. This particular variant does not have a rotisserie, but the next variant does. And lastly, the LG 30 liter convection microwave oven. Again, there are 2 variants I recommend here. The essential one, which does not have a rotisserie, and the next variant, which does include a rotisserie. The charcoal variant is almost 5,000 higher in price without much differential value. Now let's talk about solo microwave ovens. If you plan to use the oven predominantly for reheating and basic cooking, then a solo microwave oven is ideal for you. What you need to consider while buying a solo microwave oven is very similar to that of a convection microwave oven. So let's quickly discuss some key differences before we get to my recommendations. First is the size. Solo microwave ovens are generally smaller than convection microwave ovens. A 20 liter or lower size is ideal for small families up to 3. 20 plus liter, which takes more space, is ideal for large quantity reheating or large families. Next is the wattage. Like I mentioned earlier, generally the microwave function requires lower wattage than a convection function. Most solo microwave ovens have lower wattage and have preset power levels, which helps to avoid overheating and overcooking food. 700 to 800 watt is good enough for up to 20 liter size, and 800 to 900 watt is good for above 20 liter size. Next, you can use a solo microwave for basic cooking like making biryani, snacks, dessert and other dishes that you see on the screen. All solo microwaves compared support heating, cooking and defrosting. Higher Panasonic, IFB and Samsung have the grill function, using which you can grill meat, vegetables, fruits, bread, toast and so on. Only Whirlpool has a setting for making curd. But like I said earlier, you can always heat up the microwave and keep the vessel in the heated microwave for preparing curd as well. Auto clean is not available by default in all solo microwave ovens, but you can always heat a bowl of water for a few minutes with lemon and simulate the auto clean functions. Similar to convection microwave ovens, the inner cavity is mostly stainless steel except for Samsung microwave ovens, which have a ceramic cavity. Warranty is in general 1 year, with most brands offering additional warranty on the magnetron. Samsung additionally offers 10-year warranty on the ceramic cavity as well. Similar to convection microwaves, LG, Samsung and Panasonic have the best product and service satisfaction. So, now that you understand how to narrow down the solo microwave based on your needs, here are my top recommendations. You can get a good solo microwave oven around the 7 to 8,000 price point as well. Overall, the best is Panasonic 20-liter solo microwave oven, ideal for your reheating, cooking and defrosting needs. It has a digital interface and 800-watt power with 5 power levels and also includes vapor clean functions. Panasonic also has a larger size in this, 25 liters with 900-watt power with 5 power levels for different levels of microwaving. Rest of the features remain the same. So if you prefer grilling, then my recommendation is the Samsung 23-liter solo microwave oven. Samsung has a ceramic cavity, which is generally easier to maintain and is not susceptible to rusting like the stainless steel cavity ones do. But sometimes there could be cracks due to impact. So Samsung gives a 10-year warranty on the cavity, again one of the best. And lastly, I recommend the IFB 25-liter solo microwave oven. With a stainless steel cavity, IFB gives 1-year warranty on the product with 3 years on the magnetron. It includes auto clean and child lock capabilities as well. This does not support grilling, however. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.